Hey guys, this is an Amazon wig review. I got this unit from IC Hair, just a random vendor that I found on Amazon. I needed some quick hair for vacation. The hair came in 2 days. I believe it was $136 at the time. And this is the 24 inch that I opted for. So this is the hair dry with no product after co-washing it. And then this is me on vacation 3 days in with the hair. Now I will say it said on the Amazon description that it's a kinky curly unit, but the pictures didn't look that kinky curly to me. But as you can see, this is definitely a kinky curly unit. It's 180 density. I think the density is definitely there. That was one of my qualms when I was on Amazon looking for a good headband wig, was finding one that had some good density, because a lot of them, the reviews were saying that they weren't very thick and that they were super thin, and I hate thin hair. I like big hair, so that was really important to me. I think for the price and for the time, the quality is excellent. One thing that I will say that I'm not crazy about is the ends. Like, if you can see that, I'm pretty sure when I get home I'm going to trim these ends, because I'm not crazy about how thin they are. It's kind of just like, you know, you combed it out and they're like dead ends. So other than that, I think if you get a shorter unit, you won't have those problems, but it's most likely just because it's a 24-inch unit. Definitely vacation and water friendly. Like I said, I'm 3 days in, went to the beach, went to the pool, and the only thing that I've put on it so far is just like a water and conditioner mix. I usually will put mousse on it, but I forgot my mousse. I thought I bought travel size mousse, and it's Tresemme hairspray. So I don't know what that's all about, but I do really like it. The headband itself isn't too thick. I see some units, the headband is ridiculously thick. I like my headband pushed back like that anyways, because I usually have my baby hairs out. Definitely friendly for you to wear up or down. Like yesterday, I had it in a bun. But yeah, overall, definitely like love this unit. It sheds though. It does. I will say that. Had a little bit of shedding, but not as bad as my Julia Hair units. I love Julia Hair and the quality, but sometimes the shedding gets a little crazy. As far as application, you know, this is not an application tutorial. There's plenty of videos on YouTube. If you just type in headband wig application or something like that, that will show you what I do to secure my hair, especially being on vacation, or just if you're active at all. I braid my natural hair down, I sew a net on it, and then I put a stocking cap on, because for me, having a stocking cap makes my baby hairs lay down more, because it like creates some tension and reinforces it. And then I only sew the sides right here and then the very back, and then that makes it look really seamless and flawless when you go to wear it up, like if you like high buns or high ponytails. But that's my technique. Love it. It's definitely secure if you're going to an amusement park, theme park, whatever. But out of all, I would say this hair, because of the price and the turnaround, I give it 5 out of 5 stars. A little bit of shedding, but that's to be expected. But it's very low maintenance. I like it. I like it. Let me know if you like it too.